Welcome to Open Sutra, the digitization experts. Enjoy the quick storyboard on how we do it all. There are a lot of healthcare organizations that have tons of medical records and communication, mail, in paper format that needs to be digitized. And to start the process of digitization, patients have to submit their medical records for scanning. Even the past records of the organizations have to be scanned. Then the data has to be entered in a system. Let's call the system Digitization Portal, where the patient's name, date of birth, address, phone, and email is entered. A receipt is provided to the patient so they can come back next time to pick up their paper and digitize records. A cover page is then generated with the name of the patient and a QR code on it. This process is repeated for every patient and then collected in one place. The documents which are to be scanned are inspected and then separated into various streams such as 1. General paper medical records, 2. Mail and communication, 3. CD and DVDs containing MRIs, etc., 4. Films of X-rays and CT scans, etc. As every stream needs different types of scanners, we have many types of high-end scanners. On each pile of paper and media, the agent will place the cover sheet with the QR code and push them through the various scanners. Let us go to the demonstration of how digitization will work. The paper records go through a scanner and an image is created. The image now gets cleaned and enhanced. Remove folding marks of the paper if they exist. Remove punch holes and stapler marks. Auto-rotate them if they are inverted. Remove noise if the scans were from an old, dusty document. The images go through OCR recognition, where 2 OCR engines extract text and come up with a confidence rate in percentage. The extracted text from the OCR with a higher percentage, in this case 92%, is taken. Next, a fully searchable PDF is created. The system then reads through each PDF and tries to identify patterns to categorize these documents into 2 broad categories: EMR parts, EMR Part 1, EMR Part 2, EMR Part 3, EMR Part 4. Then clinical parts: radiology, laboratory, inpatient, outpatient, cardiology, and many others. So every document will get tagged with 2 tags, one for the EMR part number and the other for the clinical category. Sometimes they will fail. The ones that fail will go into a manual queue for inspection. So the text from the PDF will go through a cleaning phase. This is how it will work. The text layer from the PDF is edited, and all words and content from the text layer go through a cleansing engine. 2 dictionary engines will support the cleansing process. 1, the English dictionary, and 2, medical terminologies. Due to the dictionaries, if the words from the PDF are in any of these dictionaries, they are passed out as good words. The ones that don't pass go into a recycle bin. The PDF is then recreated with this clean, filtered test layer and is searchable. This is quality control. The agent can open up a scanned record set of a patient and review them on the digitization portal system. They will also see a list of documents that fail to get categorized. They will then be able to manually categorize them. Once they complete that task, they can click a button, Publish Records. This will send all records to the data warehouse. This also includes several data marts and reporting interfaces that agencies can use. The data marts get data from the main data warehouse. The data will go from the main warehouse to the other system directly through web services. And also, there will be an online portal that a patient can access to view records. Thank you for watching the Digitization Storyboard. We look forward to working with you to address your digitization requirements.